Bro, happy birthday! Thank you sa lahat and sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Yun, cheers to more wins natin. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Ingat palagi. God bless!
Happy birthday, Sir Tony! Wishing you more success in life and in business. Thank you for always inspiring and pushing us to do our best and to improve. More sales po sa Hansen Home!
Happy birthday, Sir John! All the best! Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Sir John! Wishing you good health, longer life, and more success sa Hansen Home! Go, 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 Hansen Home! Todo na to! Belated happy birthday, Sir Christian! We wish you good health,
More success po sa business!
And have a blessed year!
we love you! Mwah, mwah, chup, chup!
Happy birthday, sir. God bless and more birthday. Thank you very much and accepting me as member of Hansen Home and as a family. Thank you. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Johnny. Thank you so much po sa lahat. And sana, mag-ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Kuya. More birthdays to come sa'yo at ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, sir. More birthday to comes.
Yun nga, sir. Happy birthday ulit sa inyo, Sir Johnny. Ito ulit ang pangalawang pagkakataon na makasama ko sa inyong birthday celebration. Mag-ingat ka palagi sa iyong mga biyahe, Sir Johnny. Good health. And then, stay strong sa Hansen.
Happy birthday, Sir Johnny! More birthdays to come po and good health. And happy po ako sa na-achieve ngayon ng Hansen Home. Happy birthday po!